The most important characteristic why we may want to use relational DB for our system is its ACID property. Atomicity means a transaction cannot be in partially committed state. Either the data will be completely inserted or won't be inserted at all. Consistency means if an operation is applied on some data, its value before and after the operation will be conserved. Isolation refers to property of a transaction being completely isolated with any other. So if two transactions are running at once, they should not affect the other in any way. Durability refers to property of data being persisted. If a transaction is fully committed, it cannot be undone. There are many techniques to scale a relational database. The master worker and master-master application are the most widely used scaling techniques for RDBMS. So let's have a look at these. In this replication, the master node serves reads and writes. The writes are replicated to one or more workers. The workers then serve only the reads. This helps us to not overload the master with reads and distribute it among the workers. Slaves can also replicate to additional slaves in a tree-like fashion. If the master goes offline, the system can continue to operate in read-only mode until a slave is promoted to a master or a new master is provisioned. This helps us with the fault tolerance of the system. There could be some problems with this approach though. For example, we'll need additional logic to promote a slave to a master, and we'll have to do maintenance for this logic as well. There are also some replications problem with this, like the general lag which replication produces and the hardware maintenance that comes along with it. In a master-master application, we have two masters and both of them serve reads and writes and coordinate with each other for writes. If either master goes down, the system can continue to operate with both reads and writes. The problem with this replication is that you will need a load balancer or you will need to make change in your application logic to determine which master to write to. Most of master-master systems are either loosely consistent, which violate the ACID properties, or have increased write latency due to the synchronization among each other. And again, all the problems with replication are valid here as well.